Guys, our video for today is about to make a DIY portable ignition tester for boiler and incinerator. Let's go! Hi guys, this is our finished product portable DIY ignition transformer tester used for auxiliary boiler and incinerator equipment. By the way, thank you to our subscribers and viewers. Have a nice day and safe bon voyage. Keep always safety. I made the tester for the easy way to troubleshoot by fourth engineer, for his responsible of taking care of incinerator equipment, and also by third engineer to taking care of boiler equipment too, and he did not suffer more difficulty for testing, and he can test outside properly, and so very easy of this way. That's why I'm planning to make it this portable DIY tester. So guys, please continue to look until the end of the video, because we try to actual testing our DIY portable tester into a Warner Ignitor electrode, both auxiliary boiler and incinerator. Now already finished our DIY portable tester, so we try to give a power without any igniter. So we'll try only the power here. So as you can see, working and lighted and power inside. Now here the actual video. As you can see, now already our electrode for boiler. This is for tanker, very long igniter. As you can see now guys, so we start. I am put his output of the tester ignition here, the second electrode. So now we are going to test now the actual. So power up the input supply here. So what's up guys, I will test to press this push button. Okay, we put in our proper position to see the video, and now I try to press. As you can see, green light with power, and now ignition comes, spark out, very nice. So once again press. Wow. About the spark, you can adjust your electrode closer to more spark, and okay, we power off. So next we're going to test our incinerator electrode. Okay, power on. So we're going to our exact position here. The extension already have power. So now power on. So let's go. So put our output to the igniter. Okay, what's up guys? So here now is ready our position. So now, so I make it pressing this button. Okay, press. Wow, very nice. Wow, oh, it's a bigger spark, good alignment of electrode. After tested outside, and we test inside the incinerator. Now working properly, as you can see. Thank you for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to more updates my upcoming videos to be uploaded. At your service, ETO Melvin Cris. Bye bye.